you have learnt about what are acids, bases, and also how to identify the acids and bases. Generally, acids turns the blue litmus paper into red color. They are in sour taste. And bases, the substances which are changing the red litmus paper into blue color, they are known as bases. Generally, bases are soapy to touch. And also, you have learnt about how to identify the acids and bases. There are some indicators are there. We use natural indicators like turmeric paper, petals of hibiscus, mango leaf, oleander, cabbage, red cabbage. So these are the substances that we used as natural indicators. And also we use synthetic indicators like phenolphthalein and methyl orange. And also we also used olfactory indicators to identify the acids and bases. Best example for olfactory indicators are onion, clove oil, and vanilla. So these are also helpful to identify the acids and bases. Now I ask one question. Generally, we store the pickles, especially in porcelain or glass jars. Here, why don't we store the pickles in metal containers? This is my question. Why we should not store the pickles in metal containers? This is my question. So here generally pickles are in sour taste. That means it is a acidic substance. That means it contains some acidic nature. When metals are, that means what is the metals of, for example, copper. If we take one copper container, if we store the pickles in container, then the metals are react with acids. That means that acids present in pickles. They react and forms bluish green color that can be corrode the container. Corrode means damage. That bluish green color layer is formed on the so the bluish green color damage the container. That's why we can't store the pickles in metal containers. So what do you understand from this question, from this topic? That means here you should not store the metals in, you should not store the pickles in a metal container. If we store, what happens? The metals react with the pickles. That means in pickles, generally pickles are in sour taste. They can react with, that means whatever present, the acidic, the acidic substance, whatever present in the pickle, they can react with metals and forms bluish green color that can be corrode the metal container. That's why we store the pickles in porcelain or glass jars. So here what do you observe here? If metals are react with acids, this is our concept now. If metals react with acids, that is our reaction. Please observe. So here, to understand this concept, we conduct one activity. So activity means we need some requirement. So to do this activity, first of all, you need one test tube, one hole rubber cord, delivery tube, stand, and a trough containing soap water. Please observe the at page number 22. Sir, please slide, sir. So here we discuss about the reaction of acids and bases with metals. This is our concept. Next slide, sir. So here to do this activity here we need some requirements. So please observe the textbook here. So here we need one test tube, one hole rubber cord, delivery tube, and one stand, the container which has contained soap water. And here also we use some chemicals, that means substances, like one acid. I take here hydrochloric acid, HCl. And one metal. What is the metal take in this activity? Zinc granules. Zinc is a metal. So here, now we observe the reaction, a metal with acid. Metal is zinc and acid is hydrochloric acid. Okay. So here, first of all, how can we do this activity? So first arrange the apparatus like that. Take some zinc granules in the test tube and add few drops of hydrochloric acid. What do you observe here? Some bubbles are observed in the test tube. So this gas is passing through the delivery tube and reaches into the trough or container which has containing soap water. You observe some bubbles are there. That means some bubbles are formed, that means one gas is evolving. So what is the gas evolving in this activity? Now we identify. For that purpose, if you take a burning matchstick or a burning splinter, for example, a burning agarbatti also, or burning splinter. If you take better is you take a burning matchstick. If you take a burning matchstick near to the gas, then it will burn out with pop sound. What is the sound here? Pop. So the gas which is burn out the burning splinter with pop sound is hydrogen gas. So what gas here is in this activity? Hydrogen gas. So when metals react with acids, then hydrogen gas is evolved. So now we write the equation. Zinc, Zn. Zinc, Zn plus hydrochloric acid, HCl, gives zinc chloride plus one gas is evolving. What is the gas? Hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas. So here the arrow mark shows upward. Upward means it is a gas. So here when metals react with hydrochloric acid or any acid, that means either sulfuric acid, then it evolves hydrogen gas. So please note down. This is also very important for 4 marks question and also for 1 mark, 1.5 mark bit also. In 4 marks, he asked like, write the activity of acids react with metals with diagram. For 1 mark bit, if metals react with acids, dash gas is evolved. What is the gas? Hydrogen. And also he asked which gas is burning out the burning splinter with pop sound? Hydrogen gas. So this is very important. Now we observe reaction of bases with metals. Now we do this activity with acid. Now we conduct this activity with base. Best example base is sodium hydroxide, NaOH. So instead of HCl here in this activity, instead of HCl, we use one base, NaOH. Next slide, sir. It is completed, sir. Next, sir. Next, this it is also completed, sir. So here, what do you observe that one? So we observe here reaction of bases with metals. So what metal here in this activity we use? Zinc metal. What is the base we used here? Sodium hydroxide. So here do the same activity. Instead of HCl, we use sodium hydroxide. That means base. Okay. So same, do this activity, same activity. Then here also one gas is evolving. That gas travel or passing through the delivery tube and reaches into the container which has containing soap water. That means you observe some bubbles are formed in the container. Now you test the gas. How can you test? If you take a burning mastic, then it burn out with the pop sound again. That means the releasing gas is hydrogen. So from these two activities, we can say that if metals or react with acids and bases, they evolve what? Hydrogen gas. So this is very important. If acids and bases react with metals, dash gas is evolved, hydrogen gas. So here you observe the blackboard here first of all. So here in acid, so here the equation is not balanced. So here two chlorines are there, two hydrogens are there. Observe that one in products. Okay. So here also two chlorines are not there. So we can write 2HCl. Next, reaction with the base. Suppose same zinc plus sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Zinc plus sodium hydroxide. It gives, what is that? Same hydrogen gas is evolved. But here one salt is formed. What is that? Sodium zinc plus hydrogen gas. Here also if there are two sodiums are there in products. So for balancing here we can write 2. Okay. So here from this activity here we can say that when metals react with acids and bases, they release hydrogen gas. Okay. So very important for 4 marks question. So here Na2, Z and O2 is there. You observe in the slide. What is the name of the substance? Sodium zincate. Okay. Next slide, sir. Now we observe the reaction of acids with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Sir, blackboard, sir. So please observe carbonates, that means metal carbonates, and metal hydrogen carbonates. Okay, react with the acids. So first of all, what is metal carbonate? Give one example for metal carbonate that we use in our daily life also. What is that? Washing soda. What is that? Washing soda. What is the chemical name of washing soda? Sodium carbonate.
Sodium carbonate.
Sodium carbonate. Next, metal hydrogen carbonate. Give one example for metal hydrogen carbonate. That is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium carbonate is known as washing soda that we use in our daily life for washing purpose, washing the clothes. Sodium bicarbonate, that is means baking soda that we use to preparing idlis and dosas. Baking soda. So here we observe these metal carbonates when react with acids. Now we observe that one. Slide, sir. Please observe the slide at page number 24 in your textbook. Next slide, sir. So first of all, next slide, sir. First of all, you take one test tube. Please observe the test tube. And here, fix a 2-hole rubber cord. Here not 1-hole rubber cord, 2-hole rubber cord. Insert one in 1 hole thistle funnel. One is thistle funnel. Another one is delivery tube. The second end of the delivery tube kept in another test tube which has containing lime water. So first oka test tube తీసుకున్నాం. Test tube lo first of all you take one metal carbonate. I take sodium carbonate, that is washing soda, Na2CO3 in test tube A. Now fix 2-hole rubber cord. In 1 hole you fix one thistle funnel. In another one you fix one delivery tube. The second end of the delivery tube kept in a test tube which has containing lime water. That means sunnapu. Lime water means. Now you have poured one acid. Here I take HCl or H2SO4, whatever it may be, HCl or H2SO4, any acid, through the thistle funnel. So you observe that some gas is releasing, some bubbles are arising in the test tube A. That means one gas is evolving in the test tube. Now we send this gas into test tube B through the delivery tube. In test tube B, what is the substance we take here? Lime water. If we send this gas into lime water, then it turns into milky white. You know in 7th class, which gas turns the lime water into milky white? Can anybody say? Yes? What is the name of the gas?
CO2.
Very good. Carbon dioxide, that is CO2. Very good answer. So here, if we send this gas into lime water, then the lime water turns into milky white. That means here the gas, releasing gas is carbon dioxide. So here, if acids are react with the carbonates, carbon dioxide gas is released. This is the concept. In first activity, when acids react with metals, hydrogen gas is released. In this activity, if acids react with carbonates, metal carbonates, I take metal carbonate as a sodium carbonate, that is washing soda. So observe the reaction here. Next slide, sir. Next slide. So first of all, I take one metal carbonate. What is the metal carbonate I take? In this activity, sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3. CO3.
CO2.
And add one acid. What is the acid right here? HCl. So here, when metal carbonate reacts with acid, that forms sodium chloride plus water plus CO2. This is the main concept. Which gas is evolving here? Carbon dioxide.
Dioxide.
Okay. So here you observe that one. Here in two sodiums are there. So here in product sodium one is there. So 1, 2. But here two chlorines are there. For that purpose, you write 2 for balancing the equation. Okay. So now what gas is releasing here? Carbon dioxide. Now we send this carbon dioxide gas into lime water. What is the lime water? Means calcium hydroxide. So CO2 plus calcium hydroxide, CaOH, taken twice. Now we send this into lime water, this gas. Then what happens? It turns into milky white. Milky white means precipitation. That is CaCO3 plus H2O. So here, what do you observe here? If one metal carbonate react with acid, then carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas is releasing. Observe the equation. Here CO2 gas is released. Now we send this CO2 gas into lime water. That is CaOH taken twice. That is calcium hydroxide. It is known as lime water. Next, what happened here? White precipitation. That means it turns into milky white. So CaCO3, it is a white precipitation, and also H2O is formed. So here from this activity, when metal carbonate react with acid, carbon dioxide gas is released. This is the concept. Now we discuss about, instead of metal carbonate, we used metal hydrogen carbonate. That is baking soda. That is baking soda. So instead of sodium carbonate, we used sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda. So same activity, repeat the same activity, but here instead of sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 ki baduluga, meer em vaadali ikkada baking soda vaadali, NaHCO3. Next reaction, sir. Next slide. So here, instead of sodium carbonate, if we used sodium bicarbonate, please observe that one. Metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal, sodium is a metal. Hydrogen H, carbonate CO3. So sodium metal carbonate. So that is NaHCO3. It is a best example. That means it is known as baking soda. So here when you observe that one, if baking soda react with acid also, one gas is releasing. If we send this gas into lime water, then it also turns into milky white. That means the releasing gas is carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
So same activity. So here with metal carbonates or the metal hydrogen carbonates, acids react with these two substances, forms carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Very important. Okay. So these are the two activities that are very, very important. The first one is acids and bases react with metals, forms hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas.
Next, second one, acids react with carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates, then it forms carbon dioxide. So these are very, very important for 4 marks questions also. Okay?
Okay,
Next,
sir.
sir. Next slide, sir. Slide, sir. Yes. So please observe that one. So metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acids, give a corresponding salt, and also carbon dioxide. Please underline that one. Carbon dioxide and water is formed. So I write the equation: carbonate plus acid gives salt plus carbon dioxide. Please important. Carbon dioxide is important here. Plus water. With also metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay. So carbon dioxide gas is evolved in this activity. That is important. Next slide, sir. Slides S. Now, very important concept. Give some examples for acids. Please, anybody? Yes? Who? Say loudly.
Lemon, sir.
Okay, not natural acids. Generally, we use some acids in chemistry lab purpose. Please.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid, very good.
And
Sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Okay.
nitric acid.
So these are some acids that we use mostly in lab purpose. Give some bases.
Sodium hydroxide.
Very good. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. So if hydroxide is present, it is known as base generally. Okay, so please observe that one. First of all, sir, blackboard pattern, sir. Blackboard. Please observe here. So first, take one test tube here.
Sir, in the 4 minutes, sir.
Entundi, sir?
4 minutes, sir. 4 minutes.
Okay, sir. So please observe here. Take one test tube. Now in test tube, 2 ml of sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Please observe NaOH. You know that it is a base. Now you add few drops of phenolphthalein. Okay. Now the base is turns into which color? Can anybody say?
No.
Bases with phenolphthalein turns into which color? Please
Pink color, sir. Pink color, sir.
Who is that?
Color, sir.
What is that?
Pink color, sir.
Pink color. Very good. Pink color. Okay. So first of all, you take one test tube and take 2 drops of sodium hydroxide. You know that it is a base. If we add colorless phenolphthalein, it turns into pink color. Now you add drop by drop one acid, that is HCl.
Hydrochloric.
No change occurred, sir.
Hydrochloric.
If you add this hydrochloric acid drop by drop, here you observe one thing. What is that? The pink color disappears. That is important. That means the pink color
Disappears.
into. That means
No change occurred, sir.
change into remains same color. That means pink color disappear. Pink color వెళ్ళిపోతూ వస్తుంది. అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు again it turns into no color. Next, if we add again 1 or 2 drops of again sodium hydroxide, then again it turns into again
Pink.
very good.
Pink color.
Pink color.
That means here one acid is there. What is the acid here? HCl. What is the base here? Sodium hydroxide. One acid and one base react with each other. They form salt and water. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. This is very important. Neutralization reaction.
Yes.
Slide, sir. So here one acid plus one base react with each other, they form salt and water. So this process is known as
Neutralization.
neutralization. Okay? Sir? Hello? Am I వినపడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
వినిపిస్తాను సార్.
Video?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Visible, sir.
But here, మరి ఇక్కడ షేరింగ్ రాలేదు ఎందుకో మరి. Please observe the board. So here HCl, one acid, HCl plus one base, NaOH, use salt here, NaCl, that is known as common salt, NaCl plus H2O.